It's time for tip of the day on installing valve covers. These things here are beautiful. They look really good, but they're very hard to put on the first time. I mean, here's the reason why. Oh, turn this over. They have this tube here. It goes down through. And also has a line up. So what I found out to do is to cut some 1/4-inch rods like these right here and screw them into your head. Your valve covers go on, and then slide this valve cover down over this thing, and then put these bolts in here, work them in, just going around, and just put them in, barely start them, and don't get anything tight. Leave them loose till everybody's in. You see I got me some needle nose pliers here, vice grips, work pretty good. But it just takes some time to do it. It can be done. They are tedious the first time, but then once the engine heats up a few times, there'll be no problem. They'll do it again. And they do look way better than these old guys here. I mean, they have to go, but it's just a process to do this stuff. It's just a lot of love, a lot of time, man. You have to just really want to get it done. So, showing you guys my struggles as I'm going through this project. And help you guys out doing your car. It's just work.